Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through on how to become an affiliate travel partner of VOYAGIN. So VOYAGIN is like a KLOOK.com website. So they sell attractions, tickets for countries like in Japan. And by the way, VOYAGIN is based in Japan. So they have destinations such as in Tokyo, Singapore, Bali, Bangkok, Kyoto, Osaka, and a lot more. And these are the list of their attractions that are bestsellers. So we have Universal Studio in Singapore, and also Universal Studios in Japan, Osaka, and also the Night Safari in Singapore, and a lot more. You can check all of this stuff in their website voyagin.com. Okay, and so their top destinations, as I mentioned above, are Tokyo, Osaka, Kyoto, Singapore, Hong Kong, Bali, Seoul. And for you to become a travel partner of VOYAGIN, all you need to do is click on the travel agency partnership right here at the very bottom of this website. So under corporate activities, travel agency partnership, click the link, and here are the information or additional details on becoming a travel agent partner of VOYAGIN. So you can see here a lot of testimonials from their partners. So they partnered with MasterCard, Skyscanner, and a lot more. You can check right here if you wanted to know more about this partnership. So for you to become an agent with VOYAGIN, all you need to do is just click on apply an account. Alright, and then click on sign up. Of course, you need to fill in the information right here. So let's try to fill the information. So mind you, this is just a sample data that I'm going to enter. Okay, just for the sake of this tutorial. Inquiries. Okay, and password. So this is the signed up form that you need to fill out, and it requires your first name, your last name, your email address, and you need also to elect a password. Okay. Alright, and then click on sign up. Alrighty, so this is the complete account application form. So after you signed up your basic information, that's basically for the contact person or the contact information. And after that, when you click on the sign up button, you will be routed to this page. This is the agent account application form, where you are being asked to enter your company name. So enter the company name. So okay. Travel and tours. Company website is optional. And of course, if whatever the partner type, if you're an online travel agency, travel agent. So let's click on the travel agent. And of course, your nationality. So this is gonna be your country. And how did you find out about VOYAGIN? Okay, so let's just put in here. How did you buy? Okay, by searching. Oh, hold on. By searching over the internet about an activity. Okay, so after you completed filling out the form, then you can just hit on the submit button. Alrighty, and once done, you should be getting an auto message from Voyagin team that says they're going to just reach out to you once your request has been successfully reviewed. And the next email that you will receive, maybe after 2 to 3 days or 5 days, would be for you to send your documentation, such as your complete business permits. Those were the basic information, and also your identification card. Okay, so this should be like a valid identification card, such as your passport or any government issued IDs. Okay, and right after that, please expect your credentials from them. It should be also emailed to you by Voyagin. Alrighty, I hope this helps, and that will be all for Voyagin on how to become a Voyagin travel partner for travel agencies specifically. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not a subscriber on this channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell so you will get notified for every video that will be uploaded on our channel. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.